Alright, seems like, my goodness, so much commotion happening. So there's a leopard walking in there. He's gonna pop out in front of the road. It seems to be Hosanna. And now if you hear the impala, there's another leopard that's just made a kill. So we can't see it from here because unfortunately it's on Little Gowrie, but we're gonna stick around and see what happens. Because this Hosanna is going straight onto where this other leopard is. So alright, there he comes. It's just behind it. Oh no! Hyena! They're both pulling at the same time. Feisty leopards. They don't want to lose their kill to the hyena. Alright, so it seems like it's Hosanna, the one that is giving this hyena a run for its time, refusing to leave this carcass. So maybe we've got a battle of the scavengers, because we also know that he did not make this kill, and the other one that we still haven't managed to identify is just behind that tree where they are. Carry on, carry on. Alright guys, who is this? Stop moving, stop moving. I think that what we've seen today is quite strange, and it's a bit more puzzling even because we don't really know. There's a leopard at the back, right? Walking. I think it's a leopard. There we go. Because we don't know how closely related they are. Whew. Off it went.
Are you wild about the wild? Subscribe to Safari Live and experience the wonders of the wilderness. And if you click on the bell below, we'll notify you every time a safari goes live.